Hello everyone, in this video I am going to solve D1 exercise 3a and question number 1 is round of 698352 to the nearest 100. Now in order to round 698352 to the nearest 100, you must identify the place value of the numbers. This number 2 is at unit place, this is at 10 place, this is at 100 place. So basically we are going to work on these three digits 352. Now we need to round off 352 to the nearest 100. Now 352 is between 300 between 200, so I am talking about 200. It is between 300 and 400, and the middle value of 300 and 400 is 350. So if your number is more than the middle value, like 352 is more than 350, so you will round off 352 to the next 100, which is 400. So the answer will be 698,400. In part B, you have to round off 698352 to the nearest 1000. Again, look at your number 698,352. Identify the place value. This is unit place, 10 place, 100, 1000. So we need to work on this figure 8352. This is 8352. So you need to round off 8352 to the nearest 1000. Well, this 8352 lies between two thousands value, that is 8000 and 9000. The middle value is 8500, and your given digit which is to be rounded off is 8352, which is less than the middle value, so you will round it off to 8000. So the answer here in this case will be 698,000. The last one is round off to nearest 10,000. In order to round off your digit 698,352 to the nearest 10,000, you need to identify the number that is at 10,000 place. This is unit place, 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place. Okay, we need to work on these digits, this figure. This is 98,352. So 98,352 is between 90,000, 100,000. The middle value is 95,000, and your digit lies in this region, which is more than 95,000. 98,352 is more than the middle value, so you will round it off to the next one, that is the next lakh. 6,98,352 will be written as 7 lakh or 700,000. Question number 2, exercise 3a D1 says correct 45.7395 to one decimal place. Write down your given number 45.7395. You have to correct this up to one decimal place. Okay, this is one decimal place, this is second, this is third decimal place, this is fourth decimal place, one decimal place, 2, 3 and 4. You need to correct this one up to one decimal place. So just mark a line over here. Mark a line up to one decimal place. Now look at this digit. Immediately after one decimal place, this digit is 3. If the digit immediately after one decimal place, where up to where you have to correct your number, if this digit is less than 5, then you are not going to change this number which is at one decimal place. So this digit, if it is less than 5, your answer will be unchanged. The answer will be 45.7. this is correct up to one decimal place. However, if your number, this one which is to be dropped, if this is 5 or more than 5, in that case you are going to increase this one 7 by 1, it will become 8. However, the case here is of less than 5, so I am not changing this number. The nearest whole numbers, okay, as you know, whole numbers are not in decimals. Basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, these are the whole numbers. I have to round, I have to correct 45.7395 to nearest whole number. Well, 45.7395 lies between two whole numbers. One is 45 and the other one is 46. The middle value of 45 and 46 is 45.5. While your given number is 45.7, the middle value is 45.5. So this one is more or greater than the middle value 45.5, and if this is the case, that your given number is more than your middle value, then you have to round it off to the next whole number, which is 46. So correct answer is 46. Part C says correct 45.7395 to 3 decimal places. As I have discussed earlier, this is 1 decimal place, this is 2nd decimal place, this is 3rd decimal place, so I have to correct this up to this value. Now this number is to be dropped, and this number is 5. So if the number to be dropped is 5 or more than 5, then increase the previous digit by 1. 9 will be increased by 1, it will become 10. So your answer will be 45.740. When you will increase 9 by 1, it will become 10. 1 will be carried to 3, it will become 4. So this is your answer up to 3 decimal places. Question number 3 says the dimensions of a rectangular plot of land are 28.3 meter by 53.7 meter. So here is a rectangular plot and the dimensions are 28.3 meter and 53.7 meter. So this must be 53.7 meter and this must be 28.3 meter. The perimeter is to add all the lengths, all the boundary, that is 53.7 plus 53.7 plus 28.3 plus 28.3. So you will add them like this: 53.7, 53.7, 28.3, 28.3. 7, 7, 14 and 6, 20. 3, 3, 6, 8, 8, 16, 16 plus 6, 22 and 2, 4, 5, 5, 10, 12, 14 to 16. So your answer is 164 meter, and it is near to 10 meter, it is 160 meter, because it lies between 160 and 170. So it is more near to 160 than 170. So answer is 160 meter, correct to nearest 10 meter. The second one is the area of the grass needed to fill up entire plot of land, correct to the nearest 100 meter. Okay, you need to find the area. Area is length multiplied by breadth. Length is 53.7, breadth is 28.3. So let us multiply. 537, 283, 7 3 times 21, 2 3 3 times 9, 2 11, 3 5 3 times 15 and 1 16. Then it is 8 7 times 56. Here you have 5. 8 3 times 24 plus 5 29. 2 carried over here, 8 5 times 40 and 2 42. And then in the last 7 2 times 14, 4 1 will be carried, 2 3 times 6 and 1 7, and then 5 2 times 10. It is 1 7 9 plus 4 13 plus 6 19. 1 7 to 9 10 11. It is 5. So it's 1519.71. You have one digit after the decimal, one digit after decimal. So in total you have two digits after decimal in your answer, and this is 1519. However, if you want to round it off to the nearest 100, then the answer will be 1500 meters square, because 1519 is nearer to 1500 than 1600. In question number 4, you have to round off 4.918 meter to the nearest 0.1 meter. Actually, this 0.1 meter is 1 by 10 place, or you can say that it is 10th place. 1 by 10 or 10th place is this one. This is 10th, this is 100th, this is 1000th, or you can say this is 1 by 10, this is 1 by 100, this is 1 by 1000. Basically, you have to round this number up till here. This is 1 by 10. So basically you need to discard these two digits. This digit is 1 and it is less than 5, and when this digit is less than 5, you are not going to change this digit. So your answer is 4.9 meters. Part B says round off 9.71 centimeter to the nearest centimeter. Actually 9.71 centimeter is between 9 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and here in the middle you have got 9.5. Now 9.7 is somewhere over here in this region, in this part, so it should be rounded off to 10 centimeters. So your answer is 10 centimeter, because this is nearer to 9.71 as compared to this. So this is your answer. Part C is dollars 10.982 to nearest 10 cents. So first of all, convert the dollars into cents. To convert dollars into cents, you need to multiply 10.892 by 100, because $1 is equal to 100 cents. So your answer in cents will be 1098.2. Now you have to round this to the nearest 10 cents. That means this value 1098 is between 1090, if I am going to write multiples of 10, and 1100. So this is nearer to 1100 cents as compared to 1090. So for nearest 10, in order to round this one to the nearest 10 cents, so your answer should be this one, 1100 cents. However, in order to convert it dollars, you need to divide it by 100. Your answer is $11.00. And the last one is 6.489 kg to nearest 1 over 100 kilogram. So 6.489 up to 1 over 100. So this one is 1 over 100 value, 1 over 100 place or 100th place. So you have to round this up to this value, mark a line. This is 1 over 100 place, mark a line over here. This is to be dropped, and because it is greater than 5, you have to increase this previous digit by 1. So your answer is 6.49 kilogram. So this is solution of exercise 3 up to question number 4. Thank you so much.